Hi friends, today I'm back with a new video and I'm gonna unbox the new brand new mobile, and that's OPPO A53, and this is launched on August 25th, which is a brand new phone. So come on guys, let's unbox it. So friends, this is the new phone. Let's unbox it. Yeah, the logo is on, the branding is on the phone with the phone photo, and we see only the OPPO brand here. Let's open it. Yeah, first we see the mobile here. Let's keep it aside and see. Let's see what's inside the box. Yeah, uh, can open it from here. Oh guys, we find a case here, TPU case, which is of nice quality. And next we see a user manuals of OPPO. And next in the box we find 18 watts fast charger. Oh my god, this is like a brick. Oh, it's 18 watts fast charger guys. And the cable we see is, let's open guys. The cable we got is of type C cable for OPPO, and it's a type C cable. Guys, let's keep this away and let's come to the mobile. And guys, let's open the phone from the cover. Wow. Guys, it's a nice phone. Yeah, we find here a type C cable, speakers, and micro and USB port of 3.5 mm jack, and up it's plain guys. And this is the power button, this is volume up and down button, and this is the SIM tray, triple card SIM tray, as we are getting for the all mobiles. And this is the punch hole camera of 16 megapixel, and this camera is a triple camera, and we are getting this camera of 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel. It's a nice phone guys. Let's boot the phone. So guys, I have booted this phone. Yeah, it's so nice. And guys, it's of 90 hertz display. It's an amazing display we have got. And the variant which I bought of 6GB 128GB, which cost me of 15,500 rupees. Yes friends. And let's go to the settings. Yeah friends, let's go to the about phone. Yeah, this is the Android version of 10, Android version 10, as is the latest phone launched on August 25th. Friends, this is a nice phone we have purchased. Yeah, and this is of 6GB RAM, and we got a processor of Snapdragon 425 octa-core processor, and we get it with Color OS version 7. Yeah friends, let's go back and check about the camera, and we find this camera here. Friends, as you people know, I'm having the phone, the small phone, lava small phone. It is a cute phone. Let's take the pic of this. Yeah, the shutter sound. It's a good quality camera, guys. Yeah, it's a nice quality. Yeah. So I'll show you the fingerprint sensor, how fast it is. Yeah. Yeah, guys, it's quite fast here. Yeah, it's quite fast. It's nice one, nice one. Yeah, guys, let's even check about the face unlock. Yes. Yeah, guys, it's too fast. Yes, you see, people can see the light over here. It's nice one, nice one. It's our phone. And guys, let's keep the case with this and see how it is. Then this is the case. Let's keep it. Yeah, friends, it's looking nice with the case. It's too good. See, and we got a cover for the charger for the dust protection. That's a nice camera, nice one. Nice one, guys. Nice pouch. And guys, this phone contains a heavy battery of 5000 mAh battery, which gives you 1.5 day long battery according to your usage. And the plus point is that we got 18 watts fast charger in the box, so there's no problem for charging. It almost takes at least 1 hour 45 minutes or 2 hours to get charged totally. Yeah, it's latest phone. Please buy, guys. It's a nice phone under 16K. It's a mid-range phone, as we know. A nice phone, guys. Thank you. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe. And this is the phone. It's a nice phone, guys. Please don't miss the chance. We're getting it for 15,500, 6GB, 128GB. And the 4GB, 64GB, I think it's of 13,500, like that. Yeah, guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe.